So, good afternoon, students. So, today we'll solve some more questions that were asked in the BARC 2023 physics examination. So, next is question number 3. So, the values of m and n for which q equal to q to the power small q to the power m cos np and capital P equal to small q to the power m sin np represents the canonical transformations are. So the values given was m equal to 1 and n equal to 2, m equal to half and n equal to 2, m equal to 2 and n equal to half, and m equal to 2 and n equal to 1. So for canonical transformation we all know that q and p का जो permutation होता है q and p equal to 1 commutation bracket, that is known as the commutation bracket of q and p. So that is delta q by small q delta p by small p minus delta q by del p by delta q equal to 1. So del by del q of q, so q is given small q to the power m cos np, so that, and del by del p of capital P is q to the power m sin np minus del by del p of q, capital Q is small q to the power m cos np, and del by del q of p, that is q to the power m sin np. So this is equal to 1. Now del by del q of q to the power m, what will be? Now it will be mq to the power m minus 1 cos np, and here q to the power m is constant, I take it outside, and when I will derivative of sin np, it will be n will get outside, so okay, cos np, derivative of sin np, and minus del by del p of this will be minus n sin np q to the power m q to the power m minus 1 and sin np equal to 1. So I will get nm q to the power m minus 1 plus 1 cos square np, here cos square np plus mn q to the power m plus m minus 1 sin square np equal to 1. So it will be nm q to the power 2m minus 1, I will take common, so I will get cos square np plus sin square np equal to 1. So this value will also give 1. So at last I will get nm q to the power 2m minus 1 equal to 1. Now what I will do, now compare the coefficients respectively. nm is product of the constant, and product of the constant is here 1, and I can write this as q to the power 2m minus 1. So q to the power 2m minus 1 also should be 1. So for q to the power 2m minus 1 to be 1, q to the power 2m minus 1 to 1, so that is q to the power, it should be 0. That implies nm will be equal to 1 and 2m minus 1 should be equal to 0. Okay, so here I will get m equal to half, and putting the value of m equal to half in this, I will get n into half equal to 1, so n will be equal to 2. So therefore the values of m and n will be m equal to half and n equal to 2. Next question number 4. The square roots of minus 3 minus 4i are. So the options was like this: plus minus 1 plus 3i, plus minus 3 minus i, plus minus 1 plus 2i, and plus minus 2 plus 3i. So we can write this: minus 3 minus 4i का square root equal to a plus ib, where a and b belongs to some real number. Squaring on both sides, we will get minus 3 minus 4i will be equal to a square plus I square b square plus 2abi, that is minus 3 minus 4i will be equal to a square minus b square plus 2abi, because I square equal to minus 1. So equating the real and imaginary part respectively. Okay, so we will get what? We will get square minus b square equal to minus 3, and 2ab will be equal to minus 4. Now a square minus b square equal to minus 3 and a b equal to minus 2, so that will be b equal to minus 2 by a. Now putting the values of b equal to minus 2 by a in a square minus b square equal to minus 3, we will get a square minus बी स्क्वायर विल बी, बी स्क्वायर की जगह हम रखते हैं माइनस 2 बाई ए का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 3. सो ए स्क्वायर माइनस 4 बाई ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 3. सो यू विल सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. इट विल बी ए फोर्थ माइनस 4 बाई ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 3. सो ए फोर्थ माइनस 4 will be equal to minus 3 into a square, cross multiply will it. So therefore a fourth plus 3a square minus 4 will be equal to 0. Rearranging the equation, I will expand this. X square का whole square plus 4a square minus a square minus 4 will be equal to 0. So that means a square into a square plus 4 minus 1 into a square plus 4 equal to 0. That means a square plus 4 I will take it common, so a square minus 1 will be equal to 0. So from it, from the first part a square plus 4, I will get a square equal to minus 4, and second part a square minus 1 equal to 0, that is a square equal to 1. But a should be belongs to a real number. But if a square equal to minus 4, then a square should be 4a square, a should be plus minus 2a. So a is becoming the imaginary number, so it cannot be possible. Second case is a square equal to 1, so a equal to plus minus 1. So this is the case, I will get a equal to plus minus 1. So first of all, when I will take a equal to 1, then b will become b is minus 2 by a, so b will become minus 2 by a is here 1, so minus 2. Case 2, when a equal to minus 1, so b will become minus 2 by minus 1, this will be equal to 2. So we know that this number is written as a plus bi, the a plus bi plus. So here first case, when I will take a equal to 1 plus b is becoming minus 2i. Second, when a equal to minus 1, b will become plus 2i. So I will get these two cases, 1 minus 2i minus 1 plus 2i. So therefore the value should be plus minus 1 plus 2i. This will be the answer. So I hope you all have understand that question. Okay, so I will try to upload some more question. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.